Off-season prep's been pretty strong. It's been steady progress. Definitely still adapting to the bike and making all the adjustments necessary, and just really working to see any inch and little things we can adjust to get better and stronger for the season. I want to win. I want to win races. I want to win championships. You know, that's what everyone would say, but I'm building towards that. It's been a really challenging couple of years with injuries, and so it's going to take a little bit of time, but I think that I can definitely come out strong. I'm really fit right now, and that's, I think, going to be one of my strengths. I'm on one of the best bikes out there for sure, and so I'm really set up to have a good season. Hayden Deegan, he's kind of, you know, big man on campus right now. It's definitely really strong, and he's on our team. We see him out here every day, and he's ripping, and he's you know, certainly a generational talent and someone I would love to beat. He's no joke. So, you know, he's on our team, so I don't know if that's like weird conflict, but yeah, I certainly want to beat Hayden. It's all like suppressed, like all of the intensity and the, you know, desire, the competitiveness. You know, we're still teammates, so you're not like, you know, you're not showing it as fully as you would maybe on race day, or if they weren't not your teammates, but you can kind of feel it in the air, that, you know, the desire to beat each other. It's like all this chaos. You're thinking about so many different things. You're thinking about, you know, the other riders. You're thinking about, wow, there's so many people here. You're thinking about the lights and, you know, the fireworks, or, you know, after the heat race, the smoke from the opening ceremonies is still rising, and there's just so much going on. It really moves really quick when you're in it, and, you know, you kind of, some of that blocks out, and if you're lucky, you get a sense of just inner peace, and that's when you know you're ready.